Hello, and welcome to another HPDB user video tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the missing MSYSDB issue that prevents you from accessing your database. Let's get started. When you open up HPDB and you see this error about the missing database engine object MSysDB, do not panic. What HPDB is telling you is that your front-end file has somehow failed to load. It is a simple issue to fix, as you will see shortly. First, there are a few likely causes for this issue that you'll have to understand. On the top of that list is improper shutdown of the database due to power blackout. When you're transferring data into the database, for example, and then the power gets cut off due to blackout, mainly causes the front end to be corrupted. Now continuing on. When you get to this part, you just click on OK. Leave everything as they are, and you go back to the HPDB folder as shown. That's the HPDB folder inside the C drive. I've configured this setup for us to use inside my flash drive, but the pathway to the HPDB folder will be the same. It's just that instead of an E, yours will show A, C. How to fix this? Go to the HPDB front backup folder, copy the HPDB front file either through using keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C or by using the options menu as shown. Right-click on that file, and then click on the copy option as shown clearly. Next step is to go back to the HPDB folder and paste the file you copied in the previous step by right-clicking anywhere within the folder and selecting the paste option. You can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V2. You will be asked if you want to replace an existing file in the destination folder. Click on the Replace option. The file that we are replacing is the corrupted file. Doing this will resolve the issue. Wait for the file to be completely replaced. When it's completed, the issue should be resolved. Open up HPDB front file to test and see that it works. If you get the login screen when the MS Access opens up, then you're all set. However, if you get an inactive screen like the one shown in here, please don't panic. It's just that the front-end file needs to be enabled first before it can load up the logon window. Click on the Enable Content button inside the yellow ribbon as shown. The database should refresh, and this time you'll get to see the logon window. You can now continue using your HIV Patient Database.
This concludes our tutorial. Thank you for your time and support to HPDB and towards the National STI HIV Program. We hope you find this guide informative, simple, and helpful. If you have any queries, do not hesitate to reach out to us.